Hi there, welcome to My Career Doctor.
I am the best I can do. I am the best I can do.
Actually, I'm interested to talk to you.
I'm very happy.
I don't
I'm
have
very
change. I
poor,
don't
ma'am.
have
Please give me
change.
some money
Seriously,
for
I
it.
don't-
Oceans apart, day after day.
Those who want to be rich now, they have the very different and distinguished mindset.
If you won't be an actor, then what you will do?
Why I always compromise?
Through the darkest of days, heaven's heartbreak.
What do you do?
I'm an architect.
A teacher.
Yes.
That's good, very nice. And in future, I also want to be a teacher.
Poor people invest in liabilities, but rich people invest in assets.
में वही सामने में पीछे में ही आप बना लीजिएगा while ready. नमस्कार, मैं हूं प्रकाश सिंह आजाद और आप देख रहे हैं माय करियर डॉक्टर।
My name is Prakash and I help people to be fearless public speakers. But the journey of mine was not so easy. I had to face a lot of difficulties to be what I wanted to be. Finally, I stuck to my gun and became what I am today. So in this video today, I would like to share two things. First, how much difficulties I faced and overcame all these difficulties and what you should do to be a confident and fearless public speaker. So please stay tuned till the end to understand each and everything. Since childhood, I wanted to be a confident public speaker. When I was a kid, I had no idea exactly what is the job of a public speaker, but when I would see people speaking in public, I used to be mesmerized and think, wow, how can I get chance to speak there on the dais and stage and to impress people? So far it is concerned about my father. He used to always pressurize me and force me because of eco pressure that you have to be a good public speaker, a good singer, a good dancer. Unfortunately, and that is fortunately, I can't and I couldn't be a dancer and singer, but yes, I became a public speaker. My father always used to scold me and say one thing that look at his kid, her kid and all, दूसरे के बच्चों को देखो, he or she speaks very good Hindi or English there on the stage and all, but इसमें problem is not of mine or of my father. Whatever he was saying for my benefit, but होता क्या है कि हमारे जैसे बच्चे एक ऐसे परिवार में पैदा होते हैं जहाँ बचपन से एक बात तो ज़रूर सिखाई जाती है कि तुम्हें तमीज़ से रहना है, किसी से मुंह नहीं लगाना है, किसी से आंख मिला के बातें नहीं करना है, अपने से सीनियर से अदब से पेश आना है, उन्हें प्रणाम करना है, सलाम करना है, नमस्ते करना है। तो हम इसी डिसिप्लिन की वजह से हम अपने से सीनियर से बात भी नहीं करते थे और मेरे पापा को धीरे धीरे लगने लगा दैट दिस इडियट cannot speak people while talking, while seeing into their eyes and all. But इस प्रॉब्लम की वजह से we were not expressing ourselves in public because we would think in village कि अगर हम ऊंची आवाज़ में बोलेंगे तो हमारे गांव के लोग क्या सोचेंगे। फिर यही आदत धीरे धीरे होने लगी, but thanks to the dramas, plays and all which I started when I was in class 8th and all, I started participating in all those things and I started playing. तो ये जो छोटे छोटे मोमेंट्स हैं helped me in my life to remove my hesitation slowly. देखिए, one thing I would like to say to you is that एक दिन में कुछ नहीं होता, लेकिन एक दिन होता ज़रूर है। तो what exactly happened with me, like I told you, कि हम express नहीं करते थे because I was not allowed to talk people loudly. I was not allowed. It is all about discipline. इस बात को कुछ बच्चे रिलेट भी कर पा रहे होंगे. You might have noticed, जो बच्चे स्कूल में पब्लिक में बोलते हैं, प्रे करवाते हैं या फिर स्टेज पे जाते हैं, उनकी पर्सनालिटी एक अलग लेवल की होती है। हम स्कूल में बोलते थे, ये बात अलग है कि सरकारी स्कूल था, हमें बोलने का मौका ही नहीं मिलता। स्टेज प्रोग्राम क्या होता है, क्या जाने मास्टर जी वगैरह, जानते तो सभी हैं लेकिन करवाए कौन, चूँकि सरकारी स्कूल है, तनख्वाह सरकार दे रही है, तो फिर भी छोटे छोटे लेवल पे हम लोग किया करते थे। Public speaking is not something that you get chance in public, you speak or you will get overnight confidence and all. It's all about day by day, piece by piece, the effort which you put towards to be a good public speaker and you become finally. So all those dramas and plays on the occasion of, Chhat Puja and Deepavali, we used to play with I used to play with my friends and all. तो slowly ये चीज़, then I came to city, I studied 11th and 12th, you know, from English medium, and then I was still like a very shy guy. I would not dare to talk to girls even. मैं बात नहीं कर पाता था लड़कियों से because I had a lot of fear since childhood. You know, kids like me were programmed that you don't have to see and look at any girls because they are like your sisters and all. So this mentality I developed, and I had this attitude towards this. When I left my city, that is Darbhanga, and presently I'm here in Darbhanga, like before completing my graduate, you know, before being a graduate, I moved to Delhi, I'm in Noida, Delhi NCR, and there I took so many interviews, around 400 to 500 interviews. In all those interviews, I started getting confidence slowly. Meanwhile, I practiced grammar, I practiced translations, I practiced words, and I started interacting to people in people. You getting this now? So these all things helped me to gain confidence slowly. I worked with so many multinational companies, then I took so many interviews. I kept on taking interviews while doing jobs as well. When I was getting failed in my life, I had only perception that perhaps the God always fails me. No, my dear friends, there was a reason, and they just wanted to fail me to make me more stronger and what I am today. Then I started my own coaching. I practiced slowly, and I became what I wanted to be. Meanwhile, I used to read, I used to move, I used to talk, I used to do this, I used to do that. So a very shy, underconfident, I would not say, because since childhood I was good at reading, and if you are good at reading, then it's very easy for you to be a public speaker. So since childhood I was a confident, but just because of my shy nature I was not able to express myself in public. But I finally removed all these things. Now, coming to your point, how to be a good and confident public speaker, this matters a lot. Because what I noticed that people have no patience, and they want to be what they want to in one go. They don't have patience and all. So my dear friends, tip number 1, please keep in your mind that learning process is not a short process, it's a long process. So whenever you want to learn anything, it takes time. And learn one great lesson from this great nature, which I love, the most, that it takes time to build anything. You getting this now? The only thing which you can make in short time is fool others. एक सबसे अच्छी चीज़ जो आप कर सकते हैं, दूसरों को बेवकूफ़ आप बना सकते हैं, और ये बहुत आसानी से आप कर सकते हैं. जैसे मैं आपको बेवकूफ़ बना के यहाँ से निकल जाऊँ. The only thing that you can make in very short span of time is fast food, and I hope you know what are the consequences of eating and consuming fast food. So learning process is a long process. It takes time, and it will take time, of course, in your case. So have patience, the very first thing. Set your mind, and you must have positive attitude towards it. Start, investing your time and energy in those things which can help you to interact others. There is a very good motivational speaker named Robin Sharma. He is in Canada, a Canadian. He said that when he started conducting public speaking, there were 5 audience in his, there were 5 audience who were listening to him, and they were his family members. But slowly he started this, and today he is a renowned public speaker accepted worldwide. In the same way, start local and go global. I would not ignore grammar and translation. That is part of life, and we also teach you how to speak in English. We have online classes. There we provide you, online platform to learn and speak in English. You can enroll there. For that, you can call on this number and email simply to us. On every the month of first date, we start our first spoken batch. Like this is September, then we will start in October, November, December and all. So if you feel, comfortable, you can enroll with us and get the benefit of this public speaking. We ensure you that we must help you to remove your hesitation and make you a confident public speaker. So whenever you get chance, you try to speak in public. That ultimately removes your hesitation, and that removing hesitation is great thing. You must learn grammar, translations, but one thing you must do is that you read every day loudly for 10 minutes in the morning and evening. 2 times loudly for 10 minutes in the morning and evening. Reading will give you speaking English muscle, and that makes your speaking English muscle and make you strong what you want to be exactly. You must watch a lot of English content and good content, of course good content which can keep your brain safe and make it, keep it healthy forever. You must talk to people and go in public. Like I'm standing here right now, I'm here in the fresh, environment. You could watch this video. So I'm speaking here. This helps my public speaking to grow and get my confidence at, the top level. So you go in public and try to speak with people. If you don't have guts, then you go and talk to your friend there in public. Participate in the public, programs. Participate in all those things there. You can perform yourself. Learn the script at home very fast. You can mug up, yaad kar lijiye, and then try to speak slowly. I'm damn sure. And you can participate in any public speaking program, any club, any, speaking group, organizations and all. There you get chance to express yourselves. I'm damn sure, not in one day, but one day, you must get what exactly you want. सीखने का principle यही है कि एक दिन में तो कुछ नहीं होता, लेकिन एक दिन होता ज़रूर है. So my dear friends, please trust in these principles and you must become a confident public speaker. Nobody can stop you being a confident and fearless public speaker. The journey of mine was full with difficulties, but I overcame all these problems, difficulties, hurdles, restrictions, issues, problems and all. In the same way, you have to do the same thing. आप जब तक इनिशिएट नहीं करेंगे, जब तक आप एक्शन नहीं लेंगे, चीज़ें आपकी लाइफ में परिवर्तन नहीं लाएंगी. तो इट्स ग्रेट टाइम फॉर यू एंड आई वुड से फ्रॉम टुडे यू स्टार्ट इट. कमेंट में ये करके हमें ज़रूर बताइएगा कि अब आप क्या करने जा रहे हैं, कौन से स्टेप्स आप लेंगे, क्या आप करेंगे. वैसे आप यदि हमसे अंग्रेजी सीखना चाहते हैं ऑनलाइन फ्री क्लासेस, तो आप हमारे इसी चैनल माई करियर डॉक्टर के प्लेलिस्ट में जाइए. वहाँ पर आपको एक लिस्ट मिलेगा स्पोकन इंग्लिश स्टेप बाय स्टेप, जहाँ आप बेसिक्स सीखेंगे. इंटरव्यूज़ के लिए भी आपको मिल जाएगा, करियर काउंसलिंग के लिए भी मिलेगा, पार्ट्स ऑफ स्पीच, 21 डे लॉकडाउन स्पेशल चैलेंज आपको मिल जाएगा. आप वहाँ से देख सकते हैं, सीख सकते हैं. यदि आप हमारा पेड क्लास ज्वाइन करना चाहते हैं तो उसके लिए आप हमें कॉल कर ले 9958567745 या फिर mcdspecialgroup@gmail.com पे आप हमें लिखिए, इस नंबर पे फ़ोन करिए. आप अपनी सीट जो है वो बुक कर सकते हैं और एक बहुत ही कॉन्फिडेंट पब्लिक स्पीकर बन सकते हैं. So, my dear friends, I hope you learned so many things from this video and apply them successfully in your personal and professional life to be a fearless and confident public speaker. My wishes are always with you, and I personally want from the core of my heart you to be what exactly you want to be today. But one thing please keep in your mind, that is speaking English and being a fearless and confident public speaking or speaker is not a difficult task. It's all about the thing that you have to set in your mind, and if you want to be, you can be easily. Thanks a lot for watching. Stay happy and be the best like always. Jai Hind, Jai Bharat.